After living in Bolivia for 1 year, it's time to bring our culture back to my home country. Today, I'm cooking my favorite Bolivian dish, the pique macho. However, I'm gonna give a Luxembourgish twist to the dish. I'm definitely not much of a cook, so my mom is gonna rate the dish. Let's see how it goes. Let's start cooking this pique macho. Live stream P. Hello. Alright, I'm gonna put this thing here. So, I'm asking my chat how to cook this. We're gonna start cutting this up in pieces. Add some soy to the dish. As I was cooking this pique macho, I was also doing a live stream on my TikTok. It was a very fun stream, so I'm using some of the footage of it as well in my video.
Yo tengo el salchicha de Luxemburgo, entonces es un pique macho en el estilo de Luxemburgo.
So I'm using Luxembourgish sausages. I'm putting them in the oven together with the French fries. While those are getting ready, I'm gonna cut the vegetables. It's a shame I couldn't find any locotos in Luxembourg. For those who don't know what it is, it's a spicy vegetable from Bolivia. So instead, I'm using a jalapeno. I'm cutting the tomatoes, onion, and paprika as well. I'll put it in a bucket now to save it for later. I've been so occupied with the live here. I got some Bolivian music, but I'm gonna put the fries on the plate, and I'm gonna put the meat on the fries, and then I'm gonna add the vegetables and the eggs, and put some sauce on it. The final touch. El último. Ja, ben je er klaar voor?
Ik ben er klaar voor.
Ja.
Quer provecho?
Ja, sí, buen provecho. Ja. Dit is dus een gerecht echt van Cochabamba. Vind je het lekker? Como te gusta?
Sí, bien.
Ah?
Sí.
Voy a cambiar los platos.
Nou,
Ja?
muchas gracias,
De nada.
hijo mío.
Ja, de nada.
Me voy.
Está bien. Mi mamá va a hacer sus deportes.
Well, that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.